We are going to start with a segment of leadership. There are different types of leaders, but before that, it is a must to know that what is leadership and do you know the meaning of leader actually? Uh, One thing is there that when we are going to start any work, we used to think that the person who is giving direction, he is a leader, but it's not correct. लीडरशिप एक क्वालिटी होती है एक इंसान के अंदर, एक ऐसी क्वालिटी जिसमें कि वो सब काम करवा सकता है जो कि वो करवाना चाहता है. इफ़ यू हैव अ पावर टू इन्फ्लुएंस अदर, that can be added in leadership. In the next segment, we will go with the different types of leadership styles. We have basically three types of leadership styles, that is authoritative, democratic, and laissez-faire. One thing is there, that is when we discuss all the leadership styles, one thing is there that the actual goal is how to do a particular task and how it will be done, that is being described there. The behavior pattern which is exhibited by a leader used to influence the followers a lot. Now, first of all, we will go with authoritative. uh, you can say authoritative or autocratic. Both will be the same, authoritative or autocratic leader. They don't allow anybody to take part in decision making except himself. He is the only one who wants that whatever is being decided, that should be enforced by his subordinates, and he used to give the shape of his decisions which are being taken by him. In other words, we can say that centralization is a main factor in this keynote, and a leader used to try to go with this. On the other hand, if I would speak about democratic leadership, then this is the style in which a leader allows everyone to take part in decision making. He set free all to give their decisions. Everybody can take part in the organizations and can discuss each and every matter in that. Every subordinate is delegated with some authority. Of course, they have to go with the responsibility also, but they are delegated with some of authority and to make decisions concerning the duties assigned to them. Here, where we were talking about centralization authoritative, in this segment, I could say that decentralization is the main factor. Decentralization of authority and decision making are the important features of this democratic leadership. The third segment which we are going to discuss, that is more liberal than anything else, that is democratic leadership style. Everyone is free there to speak and to take decisions. When they are making decisions, it all depends according to their likings. The leader does not interfere in any way with the decision making of his subordinates. So everyone is free with his decisions and whatever he wants to do there. So these are the three things which are there in leadership styles. And sometimes when you get a question, first of all, read the paragraph which is given to you, then go through what is being asked there in a particular manner.